Kumusta na kayong lahat guys? Magbabahagi muli ako ng tips sa inyo kung ano ang dapat gawin kapag may lindol. Ito pong mga ginagawa kong videos ay para po sa ating lahat, para po mapaghandaan natin ang mga kalamidad o peligrong maaaring dumating sa ating bansa. Yung unang video na nagawa ko noon ay tungkol sa kung ano ang dapat gawing paghahanda pag may sakuna tulad ng bagyo, baha, lindol at iba pa. Pakitingnan na lamang po ang link sa bandang ibaba. Ngayon po ating himayin ng isa-isa kung anong preparasyon ang ating gagawin kapag may lindol. Before o bago magkalindol, ano ang dapat ihanda? During o pagkasalukuyan ng lindol o pagkatapos ng lindol, ano ang magiging action natin? Para po mas masusundan nyo ang aking tips, panoorin nyo po ang video na to hanggang sa huli para maging handa po tayo lagi sa anumang dumating na kalamidad sa ating bayan. Pero bago ang lahat, don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for a more safety tips. Atin pong alamin kung ano po ang dapat nating gawin kapag may lindol. A magnitude of 6.6 earthquake shake Masbate Island, Philippines on August 19, 2020 at 7:03 a.m. resulted to an extensive damage to the island and causing one death. This tips is also in preparation of the big one that could hit Manila by a magnitude of 7.3 earthquake. What to do and how to prepare before, during, and after an earthquake. We cannot really predict the exact time and date an earthquake will occur, so before it happens, you must already have your survival go bag. Don't forget to check and prepare your supplies. So what are the things to do? Hold the periodic family drills and do an annual hazard search. Find a place in each room of the house that you can hide in or you can be safe with. During an earthquake, don't panic. Be alert and drop cover and hold. And stay away from building walls. If you are outdoors, move to an open area. If you're in a moving vehicle, stop and stay in the car, turn on the hazard light. If you use a wheelchair, put the brakes on in a safe place and protect your head with your arms. And if you are in a crowded place, protect your head with your arms or take a cover under seats and tables. Things to do after an earthquake. Always prepared for additional aftershocks. Evacuate the buildings, move to a safety area. Check for injuries, check for fire and gas leak, water and electric lines. Tune in to local radio station for reports. When you're in the evacuation area, still do social distancing. Don't forget to wear your face mask and face shield and always do hand sanitation. This is all for now. I hope you learned a lot from these tips. Stay safe. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my Knell channel and hit the notification bell for more safety tips. Thank you very much and God bless.